Setting up your ZSB printer in Microsoft Windows. In this video, you will learn how to set up your ZSB series printer in Microsoft Windows. First, we'll have you download the ZSB Setup app for Windows. The app will walk you through the steps to set up a free ZSB account, and then connect your printer to that account. After the driver is installed, you'll be taken to your personalized ZSB workspace, where you can design custom labels or choose from thousands of templates. Open a web browser and go to zsbseries.com/setup. Please download the ZSB Series application for Windows. Go to the ZSB Series application on your computer and double-click it to start the installation process. If you are asked, grant permission to ZSB Printer Tools to make changes to your device. The installation wizard opens. When the installation start screen appears, click Accept. Please wait while the ZSB Printer Tools app is installed on your computer. You will be asked to sign into your account when the installation is complete. If you do not have a ZSB account, you will have the opportunity to create one in the next step. Click Sign In. A web browser opens to a sign-in screen. You have the option to quickly start using your ZSB account by logging in with your social media accounts, or you can use your email address to create an account and log in. When you are successfully signed in, close the web browser. If you have existing printers on your account, they will be automatically added to your computer. The Add Printer process appears if you do not have any printers on your account yet. Select Start Setup to add a printer. Make sure your ZSB printer is plugged in and turned on. Also, check if the left LED light is flashing blue. If the left LED isn't flashing, press and hold the power button for 3 seconds until it does. Click Next. The app searches for your printer. Select your printer from the list of discovered printers and click Next. If more than one ZSB printer is discovered, pick the one you wish to set up. After Bluetooth is paired, the printer scans for available Wi-Fi networks. Select the desired Wi-Fi network. Enter your Wi-Fi network password and click Connect. Your printer will attempt to connect to the selected Wi-Fi network. This may take a few moments. After your printer connects to the selected Wi-Fi network, it will be registered to your ZSB account. If the printer requires a firmware update, it will be updated at this time. Your ZSB Series printer is now connected to your account. You can also use your ZSB Series printer with the ZSB mobile app. Scan the QR code with your mobile device to download the app. You can now design and print labels from a web browser or applications on your computer. Click Next. Click Finish to close the Printer Tools installer. Now you can open the ZSB workspace to design custom labels or use the available templates. Open the system tray by clicking on it. Click the ZSB Status Advisor. Click the profile icon in the upper right corner and select ZSB Workspace. The ZSB Workspace opens. On the ZSB Workspace you can check your printer status, design custom labels, access common label designs, and much more. Congratulations on setting up your ZSB printer in Windows.